Hi everyone. So we have just finished day 1 of our baking bootcamp, and let me show you what kind of response I'm getting from my student for just day 1 that we have concluded right now. So this is the cake that we have made. Have a look at the texture as well. So on day 1 of this boot camp, we have made this amazing chocolate cake. Now there are so many boot camps that are going to come up every single month. So please make sure you are enrolling for my boot camp so that I can help you in your own baking journey. So keep watching this space for more such bootcamp related messages. Hi everyone, so we have just finished day 2 of our bootcamp, and I can't tell you, the bootcamp went so very well. People have got amazing breakthroughs in just a matter of 2 days. So let me show you what kind of feedback my students are giving after attending 2 days of this baking bootcamp. And let me just show you what kind of breakthroughs my students have got for the first time they have baked this cake, and let me show you what kind of beautiful texture they have got for their cake. So let me show you the texture of the cake my students have made. Can you see how beautiful it is? So someone who is baking the cake for the first time and getting a cake texture like that. Isn't it beautiful? This is the chocolate icing that they have made. So you can read it over here. Vijaya Lakshmi says, I'm posting this. She has prepared this cake after her office. She is happy baking this cake for her son and daughter in law. They were very excited. The taste is really yummy. She is going to try, her son is going to try this cake with ice cream, and then she says, thank you so much. And you know what, guys? She has made this particular cake in her kadhai. So, can you see the texture? In kadhai also you can get such a beautiful texture. Not just that, let me also show you someone who has actually baked a cake. Now this cake is prepared by her 15 years old daughter, right? So irrespective of your age, you will be able to bake a wonderful cake. Doesn't matter what is your profession, if you follow the step by step process, you'll 100% you'll get a nice texture for your cake, no matter what. See, Tefina says today was a great day. Really enjoyed learning a lot from the bootcamp. It was very informative. She was able to enjoy the entire process. She has baked it in rectangular tray. So every small thing students are mentioning over here, because of which they are getting faster results in their baking journey. She says she has made this cake in OTG for 40 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. And let me show you the texture of the cake. Beautiful, isn't it? So guys, if you are interested to bake a cake just like them, if you want to become a pro in your own baking journey as well, do participate in our bootcamp. So just comment bootcamp below and we will share all the details of upcoming bootcamp with all of you. Thank you so much.